2 million years ago, survival was a daily war between man and beast. Every tool meant life or death in the wilderness. The young learned from the old in a fragile world of danger, but hunger forced them to risk the unthinkable. The treasure, giant ostrich eggs, rich with life. One egg stolen, and the silence breaks. Even the children felt the storm rising. The tribe ran with stolen hope in their hands. But the giants had returned. The wrath of the savannah was unleashed. Now the hunters became the hunted. The beasts moved faster than any human could. One stumble could mean death. The elder called them back to safety. But safety was only clay walls thick. The giants attacked with fury, seeking their stolen egg. Mothers protected the young with every heartbeat. The leader stood firm, ready to face death. The elder's wisdom was their only light. The beasts would not leave without blood. The only hope now was silence. Tiny hands trembled as giants shook the earth. They knew the answer: give back what was stolen. But waiting for darkness was the only chance. One man risked all to save his people. He offered life back to the giants. For a moment, silence ruled the world. Man and beast locked in an ancient trial. The giants accepted their treasure. And with them, the storm passed. Morning brought a fragile peace. The young survived another night. The elder knew more battles would come. But for now, the tribe was safe. Together they found strength in unity. Every battle left scars to mend. Even the smallest hands carried hope. Weapons were their only promise of tomorrow. Wisdom passed from one life to the next. The world was vast, wild, and merciless. Man had learned survival was balance, not conquest. Every flame meant another night of safety. In dreams, the young forgot the terror outside. The stars told stories older than man himself. The tribe lived on, fragile yet unbroken. Every battle left a mark to remember. For the leader, it was a reminder of courage. For the mother, it was a reminder of love. For the elder, it was a lesson for generations. This was life 2 million years ago, where every sunrise was both a blessing and a battle.